Hey, this is Mayor Walensky with Driving Markets. So due to popular demand, I've been asked many times just to give a brief Driving Markets broadcast on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Okay, so I'm going to tell you my view, what my opinion is on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on cryptocurrency, and where it's likely to go, and what's the overall macroeconomics and dynamics behind the cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrencies, as everyone knows, is a digital currency. It's got no exchange, it's got no central government, it's got no regulation, and it's purely based on a movement of numbers through computers and through platforms. Okay, so one of the biggest platforms is obviously something like Binance, but there's been a lot of unfortunate negativity on the crypto sector due to some major bankruptcies. For example, you've got FTX and you've got Gemini all went bust. Okay, Sam Bankman Fried and a whole hoo-ha of a lot of exchanges that end up being either corrupt or money launderers or just completely have no financial basis to them. And that sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency sector. Okay, now as an asset, Bitcoin, let's focus on Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is a very up and down, it's very binary. It's either going up or it's going down. It's got no economic fundamentals to it. And because it's got no economic fundamentals to it, it's very, very hard to measure. And remember, it's the smallest market of the three markets. You've got the equity market, you've got the FX market, which is the biggest market in the world, and then you've got the cryptocurrencies, which is a tiny part of overall trading globally. Now, Bitcoin has been to as high as 68,000 back in January 2022, and I called it on this channel a sell at that level. I was saying to sell it, sell it, sell it. It's going to go all the way down to 30,000, then from 30,000 it's going to go down to 15,000, and it actually hit all of those targets. But the question is, where is Bitcoin going to go from here? So a couple of things that could impact Bitcoin. Number one, it's illegal to trade it in China. Number two, there is possible regulation coming out in the United States, and that could be a hindrance to it moving forward. However, the likelihood is that cryptocurrencies, Ethereum and Bitcoin are so embedded within the financial structure now and so popular globally, it's very unlikely that they're going to die a death. However, in 2023, because there's likely to be a serious, significant recession, worse than in 2008, and likely to be some sort of financial crash in the stock markets, then you could see Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the cryptocurrencies drop significantly. If we're talking about Bitcoin specifically, then you could see Bitcoin drop all the way down to $5,000 a coin or less if there is a financial crash. Some of the Bitcoin traders are saying long term it's going to go to $250,000, and that could well be the case. You could have a situation that once liquidity and once interest rates drop and there's more money floating around and there's more appetite for high risk like Bitcoin, then you could see it push all the way up to $100,000 to $200,000 a coin. That's more likely to happen in the next 3 to 5 years, not within 3 years. So in the next year to 2 or 3, you're probably going to see it hanging around these levels or even a lot lower before it could have any chance of spiking up. Remember, there's only a limited number of Bitcoins in the world. I think it's around about 22 or 23 million coins that were actually mined, and you can't mine anymore. And not only that, a lot of day-to-day activity can be paid through Bitcoin. So it looks like it's here to stay, but the actual price, the underlying price of that particular asset is probably going to fall this year to around about the 10,000. If there's a financial crash, to 5,000, and it'll be some time before it picks up again. Very popular coin, very binary, very up and or down, no real fundamentals to it. Long term, maybe go to $250,000, very long term. In the short, immediate term, looks like it's going to hover around these levels or go a lot lower. That's my input regarding Bitcoin. You can give me some feedback and you can share and you can comment and you can ask me some questions, whatever you want. I've also got a channel on TikTok and also got a channel on Instagram if that's going to help you out. So this is May Valensky with Driving Markets, talking this time about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. Have a good day.